So you'll move to San Antonio, Texas? We're Brian and Brenda Jones with Lone Star Home Realty, your San Antonio real estate specialist. And today we're diving deep into the crazy living in San Antonio, the good, the bad, and the not so good, and what's coming with the major developments like Project Marvel and the new Spurs Arena.
Absolutely. So if you're considering moving to San Antonio, selling, or you're just curious about life here, stick around and we're going to talk about the quality of life, the cost of living, jobs, real estate, and the exciting future of our city.
Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss future market updates, home tours, and local insight videos. Let's get started.
Let's get started. Let's start with why so many people are moving to San Antonio. There's a lot to love here.
First, affordability. Compared to Austin and Dallas or Houston, your money really stretches a lot further here. Housing, groceries, utilities, and entertainment, they're all much more budget friendly here.
Second, culture and climate. San Antonio's rich history, beautiful river walk, world-class food, and warm weather make it a great place for families and retirees to come.
Third, job growth. The city's economy is diverse from healthcare and tech to military and logistics. San Antonio is steady growing and attracting new industries.
Fourth, location. You're just a short drive from the hill country, lakes, and Austin. So weekend getaways are really close and easy.
And finally, real estate opportunity. Whether it's first home or in Cibolo or an investment in downtown, there's something for everybody.
Okay, Brian, you are always saying that location and timing is everything in real estate. So let's talk about that.
Exactly, especially in the Northeast Corridor. Church, Cibolo, New Braunfels, where growth and value are both very strong.
All right, now let's talk about the trade-offs. No city's perfect. San Antonio has its own challenges, so let's go through those.
That's very true. And we'll start with the big one, which is traffic.
It's always bad.
Traffic is one that just growth has been so fast that the infrastructure struggles to keep up, and they're not. If you're commuting, expect congestion along I-35, 1604, I-10, 281. Anywhere,
name it.
if you're in a car and the road, you're gonna have congestion.
It used to only be during rush hour, but the way the city is now, it is just
Everywhere.
There's construction everywhere. So just plan on construction. Make sure you check Google Maps because it will tell you the best and fastest route to take, regardless if you think you know where you're going. Trust her, she knows what she's. Okay, another one is the summer heat. It gets hot and it gets very humid, especially in July and August. Air conditioning is a must. And I can tell you it's not only in the summertime. Like, as we're filming right now, it is almost the end of November and the air conditioning is on, and it's probably going to be on for sure Thanksgiving, but probably Christmas too. So the heat is something that you really must be conditioned to and be ready to face.
Another issue is the school quality varies across school districts too. Some areas have top-rated schools while others are still struggling to improve.
Yeah.
Always check the school districts before you buy. And one place you can go to, which is really good information, is niche.com, Niche.com. Has great information about schools.
They'll tell you all you need to know about the schools, and if schools are important to you, you definitely want to check that out before you decide on the areas that you're looking to purchase in. Okay, and so with all of the growth, which is definitely hitting San Antonio, and some of the services and the roads, they haven't been updated fast enough. They haven't caught up yet with the pace of everybody coming here, so you've got to be patient.
Also, certain neighborhoods appreciate faster than others. That's why having an experienced realtor, like us, can help you find a property that fits your lifestyle for your family and holds value over the long term.
Okay, so let's switch gears a little bit and let's talk about Project Marvel. It just got passed in the last voting. It's one of the biggest developments in San Antonio's future.
And history. So Project Marvel is a multi-billion-dollar development.
Billion with a B.
Downtown redevelopment plan that includes a brand new Spurs Arena downtown, expansion of the convention center downtown, new hotels downtown, and improved infrastructure like a land bridge over I-37.
They're going to put a land bridge to connect them. Okay, that makes sense if you know what we're talking about. So that makes a lot of sense. So the Spurs are contributing around $500 million privately, and the city and county are adding support with venue taxes and visitor taxes, if you will. And the idea is to avoid burdening the local taxpayers with the cost of this.
And that's not going to happen. So local taxpayers are going to be footing some of the bill, regardless, because if they go to a Spurs game, they're going to have to park somewhere. So what are the pros? First, revitalization. A new arena and entertainment district can attract visitors, boost local business, and raise property values nearby, as well as property taxes.
That's some of the money they're going to get.
Yep.
Second is job creation, construction, hospitality, tourism, jobs. That's all going to increase significantly once they actually break ground and get started on this.
Third, keeping the Spurs right here in San Antonio. That's part of our city's identity.
Yeah, and they threaten to leave, so we always have to make sure we keep the Spurs happy. But there are some cons. A lot of people are worried that the public funding is going to be at risk, that taxpayers, as you said, property value is going to go up, certain things are going to go on. So taxpayers may end up, more than likely, covering some of the unexpected costs included.
Hey guys, comment below and let me know what you think about this Project Marble. Do some research on it and let me know what your thoughts are, because we'd love to go back and forth with you.
Absolutely.
Right, there's also concerns that it could divert funds from schools or infrastructure and big projects like this that can take over a decade to finish. And this Project Marble is probably going to take 4 to 6 years to get done once they break ground.
At least it's going to be a long project. So if it's done right, though, it could completely transform downtown, especially in that area, make it a vibrant destination, bringing in more housing, events, investment opportunities. It's gonna, and that's really needed in that part of downtown. It kind of has been, I don't want to say neglected, but I think this is gonna really bring a lot of life to that area of town.
For home buyers and investors, that's important. Downtown and nearby neighborhoods could see significant appreciation over time.
Over time.
Property tax.
And
that's a long-term play. It's a long-term play.
Yeah, absolutely. So let's wrap it up. San Antonio has a lot to offer: affordability, culture, jobs, and a strong sense of community.
But like any city, it has its challenges: traffic, summer heat, varying school quality, and with major projects like Project Marble, there is both excitement and uncertainty ahead.
If you're thinking about buying, selling, or relocating to the San Antonio area, we would love to help navigate your options.
You can find us at LoneStarHomeRealty.com or click the link below to schedule a no-obligation consultation, and we'll help you find your perfect fit in the greater San Antonio area or somewhere close.
Absolutely. Don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who's thinking about moving to Texas, and subscribe for more local insights coming up.
Hey guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.
Have a great day.
Bye.